Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. This is pretty cool, and I'm stealing this idea completely from somebody's video. Somebody sent me that video, and I think they sent it to me so I could share it with my viewers and anybody that watches my channel. We have 3 lines of text. I turn text that has been converted to a curve, and if you have Windows 10, this is very nice. So if you check on it, basically, I've got a group of 5 objects, what I don't totally understand that, but so what you do is have it not selected and go right here to your search under your Windows, and right here is a little bitty screen with a snapshot, search with a snapshot, and just go around your text. And then as soon as you do that, it's going to come up with this. It's searching for similar images. And right here, copy text. Go back to your Corel. Now, when he did it, he drew a marquee, but I can't get that to work. So I'm just going to right click and I'm going to paste. And you see it brought it in down here. And I go to text and convert to artistic text. Now, I know for a fact that my text was, and see now it's Arial. My text was 60. Well, maybe it was 30. Yeah, it was 30. And now it spaced it out a little different, but if you had a big amount of text, and there's probably inside of text you could do this, or you could Control K and break the text apart and get this back to where it's similar. Instead of having to type, if you can't, and then always you could select it all and hit L, put it all left justified. That's pretty cool. So just go to, if you have Windows 10 or above, I guess, and I'm not very smart on that, so I don't know if there's anything above Windows 10. And I'm going to try some other things just off the internet and see if it works also. And I don't have my spacing perfect, but it would be a lot of time saving instead of having to text that. And then you could take it all and make it Times New Roman or antique or whatever. So you're taking a curve and turning it back into a text. So I thank the person who sent me that, and I thank the person who made the video, and I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.